Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to install the latest version of WAMP server on Windows 11 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and like the video. So open your favorite browser. I am in Chrome and type here WAMP. So we have the two options here. First, go to the official website, and the second one, we need some of the dependencies. So I'll go to add-ons and open that. I'll share the link of this in the description of the video. So from here, you can download from here. This is the latest version, WAMP 3.3.5, 64-bit. So when you click on it, it will start download. Okay, and we need some dependencies. Like let me show you. Like we'll C++ this redistribution packages. Some of them may be missing on your computer. So let's see. Open the directory where you have downloaded the WAMP server and run the setup. Click on yes. You accept the agreement and click on next. Next. So you can see our my system is missing all these directories, all these redistribution packages. So you can see VL C++ 2010 X 86-bit and 12, 13, 15, 10, 12, 13, 15. You can see almost all of these are missing. So it's in we have two ways. One, we can check one by one all of these packages in the add-ons file here and download one by one. And the other one is we can download the complete one from here. So I just downloaded this one for the time saving purpose, and I'll just go to here and extract all. Just open that, and we have to install these one by one. So I'm just installing the 13 one. I'll create more videos on how to install the previous version of PHP. Like we want an older version that is not in the default WAMP server. So how to install that add-on or in WAMP, and also how you can put your WAMP server online to your local area network. I'll create all the videos of that in the same playlist. So you can check also my older videos on Windows 10. For that, I'll create my Windows for Windows 11 now. And if you have any question or suggestion, you can also put those in the comments. Thanks. Already there. Already there. Make sure to follow the every step, step by step. because if you miss any of these, then you will get the difficulties when you install that, and after that you want to run a web server. So you have to follow every step one by one and very carefully. So all of the packages are installed. Let's try to install a web server setup again. Click on OK, and I accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Yeah, I'll use the same path. C WAMP switch. So you can see now our installation is started, and we didn't get the notification or warning for that. We don't have the packages installed. So it will take a little time. So once the server is installed, we'll cover a basic program to run Hello World in web server, and I'll guide you how you can open the phpMyAdmin, how you can look at to the www directory, and these are the basics. So our setup is almost complete. Do you want to choose another? No. I'll use the default one. I'll use the default one, Notepad. Next. So you can read the basic informations guides from here. So I'll click on the next and click on finish. So our WAMP server is installed, and we have the icon of WAMP server here. So when we want to start the WAMP server, we just need to double click on that, and it will start the services. So you can see the WAMP server icon in the menu, and initially it will be in red color. And if one of any of the service is running up in running, it will be in orange, or you can say yellow. And when all of the three services are running, it will be green. So when you click on it, you can see phpMyAdmin. When you click on that, the phpMyAdmin will be open. So when you go back to the WAMP server, and you can click on localhost. So the default password for the phpMyAdmin is root, and there is no password. Okay, and and when you open localhost, it will show you how many projects you have. Like you can see, I have 0 projects now, and all of the other information, basic information we have, and you can see virtual environment, we have only localhost. So how to create a project in that? Let's go to the my PC C drive, and in that we have to go to WAMP server 64 www, and we can create here our hello world project. New folder, hello, and we'll just create a basic program, index.php. So if you want to install any of the editor, you can see the video of Will Studio Code, how to install that on this my channel, and just we'll just create. Hello from Allround. I'll just save this, and let's try to open this up now. So let's try to refresh, not this one. Let's try to refresh this localhost, and you can see we have one project now. So let's run this project. Localhost slash hello. So you can see. So we have the basic code hello from Allround. So good luck, guys. If you have any of the curiosity related to the WAMP server or PHP development or any of the other tools, you can ping me.